Hi children, how are you all? I hope you all are fine, right? And today is the combined class for class 3 and class 4, right? This is the general topic. It is not related to your textbook, but it is related to the science topic. Okay. First of all, I want to tell you something about environment. Sit properly, Aradhya. Sit properly. Sit straight, all of you. Okay, first thing, take your notebook and pencil. Whether it is any class, you should maintain the book as well as the pencil to write something which is useful for you. Right? Okay, what is meant by environment? Tell me, is there any guess for you? Okay, environment means surrounding. What is around us? Means our atmosphere, means wherever the plants, animals, which is around in our side, means our house, all these called as the environment. Today we are going to talk particularly about the pollution. What we are going to learn today? About pollution. Have you heard the word this one? Pollution. Have you heard any time? Did you listen this word? Pollution? Yes. Pollution means, what is meant by pollution? It is a common word nowadays we are using for each and everything. Right? What is meant by pollution here? Have you know about it? What is meant by pollution? Pollution means making something impure. Making something impure. Something impure. Something impure and dirty. Okay. What is the definition of pollution here? Yes, making something impure and dirty. If suppose air is there, if it is going to pollute, then what it is going to happen? Impure and dirty. What is the main thing? Pollute means impure. What is the meaning of impure? Means not in a clean way, not in a pure way. Is called as the impure. What is meant by dirty? What is the opposite of the dirty? First one, clean. Means which is not clean is called as a dirty. Here the pollutants or the pollution means, yes, what is that one? What is the definition once again? Making something impure and dirty. Means something, whatever there in our surroundings, whatever there in the atmosphere is going to be impure and dirty. That is called as the pollution. Here, how it is going to be polluted? Mainly because of the one particular thing. What is the one particular thing? Can you guess? Is there in your house also? What is that one? Can you guess? Okay, I will show you the example. Yes, what is this one? Ball. How it is prepared? With the help of a plastic. Now you got the idea, I think. Yes, this is a plastic ball I am showing you. Right? And means how it is going to pollute, how the environment is going to get polluted. Yes, with only the one main thing nowadays, that is the plastic. Now, how the environment is going to get polluted? With the help of one particular thing, that is the plastic. For each and everything we are using the plastic, right? For making the toys, for the covers, for everything. Daily, if we go for the vegetables, go for the market, we are going to carry, yes, that is the cover. And next one, if we are going to bring any toys, it is made of the plastic. And plastic chairs, everyday plastic water bottles. Tell me some of the plastic things we are using in our daily life. Yes, plastic bags. Or you can say covers also. Covers. And next, water bottles. Water bottles. And what you have seen? Toys. Toys. Chairs. Chairs. Whatever, most of the things are made up of the big plastic. Or made up of the plastic. Like plastic bags, covers, all these things. Because of that, we are getting environment polluted by ourselves. Not by anyone. Animals cannot pollute. Plants cannot pollute. Plants are going to pure. pure the environment by giving the oxygen, right? But here we are ourselves. We means here the humans. What I am telling you, we means humans. All types of people who are living on the in the world, either from our side or from any other country also, we can see. Here we are using mostly all types of things which are made of plastic. Because of the plastic, everything in the environment like air, water, land. What are the things of getting polluted? Yes, land, water, air. These are the three main components are getting polluted because of the plastic. Everywhere on the land we can see the plastic. Everywhere in the water we can see plastic as well as the air also. Mostly we can identify land and water pollutants clearly. How we can identify? Yes. First of all, land pollution. Is what we are going to see. Land pollution means which is going to get impure. Yes, land means on the land what is there? Soil is there. Soil is getting impure. How it is going to get impure? With the plastic. Means daily we are using the covers, right? And we are going to throw in the dustbin. Soil, we are going to dig the pit and we are going to dump in the soil. Means if we are going to use the plastic vigorously, means continuously, daily. It takes hundreds and millions of years to get digest into the soil. Suppose if the banana peel is there for 2 to 3 days, it can be converted into the soil or it can be imparted into the soil. Means it can be digested into the soil. But whereas the plastic cover cannot be get into a soil, cannot be dissolved into the soil. That was the problem. Here the land pollution has come in most important pollution. Why? Because of the plastic. Daily we are using many types of the plastic items. So that it is getting polluted. Okay, how the land pollution is getting? Yes, soil is getting impure. Soil is getting impure with the help of the plastic. Means how it is going to get impure? Because daily what are the wastes? Suppose the covers. Now I am telling you, most important thing is the plastic as well as some other things also. We are using daily some vegetable peels, whatever the wastage in our house can be kept in the dustbin, right? And that can be taken and kept in some other big places where the no people will be. That is called as a dump area. Okay, dumping area. At that place, the soil get polluted because many types of chemicals, many types of things are getting into the soil. That makes the soil impure. That leads to the soil pollution. Mostly the wastage. What type of wastage you can see? Yes, like covers, like boat tails, animals, whatever dead animals, living things, some other things. Whatever which are not in use can be gone into the dustbin. So it has been there as a wastage. Mostly it is going with the help of the plastic. So we need to control the plastic. What is the main thing here? So getting impure of the soil. Means the outer part of the soil is getting impure. While we are using all types of chemicals. Suppose suppose the fruits and vegetables. To get big size of fruits and vegetables, we are using pesticides, insecticides, all the things, and getting the big size of the fruits and vegetables. It is also a soil pollution. We are also giving more number of manure. We are also going to give more chemicals to the plant. Means pure chemicals are used for the crops. Yes, so that the soil, the upper part of the soil, it is called as the humus. Humus is getting polluted. Humus is going to disappear for one day. So we need to take care about our land, our place. So we should not use the plastic. We should not use the chemicals. Means man use all of the two types. Chemicals as well as the natural. Means natural means cow dung, all these things. Those can be useful for the soil as well as for the plant. If we use the chemicals for the plants, getting more amount of the large amount of the fruits and vegetables, then it will harm for the soil as well as for us also. That is about the land pollution. Next, we will go for the water pollution. Yes, water pollution. Where you can see the water pollution mostly. What are the sources of water? Yes. Tell me the sources of water. First one. Yes. Lake, pond, river, ocean, borewell. Most natural thing is the rain. But unpolluted water we are getting from the rain. Here I have written the sources of water, which is the fresh and the pure form of the water is the rain. Rain is coming from the clouds and it is the most purest form of the water. What is it? Rain. Okay, what are the sources here? Source of water: lake, pond, river, ocean, borewell. These are the sources. Means how? From where we are getting water? From the lake we can get water. From the pond we can get water. River, ocean, as well as borewell. These are the different sources. From where we are getting water, those are called as the sources. So the sources of water: lake, pond, river, ocean, and the borewell. Next, how they are getting polluted? Yes, by us only. Means by us means by humans. How? Yes, we are going to pray for the river. We are going to pray for the pond. Yes, we feel that it is a God. Because of that only it is getting a big problem. Right? If we are going to do the puja, it's okay. But what we are doing, we can throw all the trash in the water. Trash in water. First of all, we will do the prayer. What we can do some kind of arrangement, 5 things, and all these things we are going to pray for the river Ganga, next Godavari, all these things we are doing. But after that, after doing the puja, all this using the turmeric powder, all these things, then what we are going to do? We are going to throw there. We are going to throw the flowers in the water. We are going to throw each and everything. Means we are using the turmeric powder. That packet will be going in the water. We are using kumkum powder. That is also going into the water. Next one, we are using flowers. Flowers can be digested or flowers can be dissolved in water. No problem. Okay. But with the flowers, what we are using? Yes, flowers are kept in a what we call it? Plastic cup, and it will be thrown in the water. So plastic will not be dissolved. So it is a problem. Next one, what we are using? All types of. Someone will give the what we call cloths. Someone will throw the plastic bottles. All these things means what I have written here simply trash. Means which is not being used, which is the wastage of the wastage or called as a trash. Means if we are going to throw the trash in water. And next one, what we are going to do? Yes, sir. Sending garbage. Sending drainage, or we will say garbage water. If we are going to send a drainage water or garbage water into the rivers or into the lakes, or you can say here sewage water, means nothing but a yes, drainage water or the sewage water, both are same. If we are going to send uncomfortable or undigested materials like sewage or the garbage water into the lake or the river or ocean, anyway, that leads to the pollution of water pollution. That leads to the pollution of the land, pond, river, ocean, water. Because of the pollution in the water, most of the water animals like fishes, turtles, whales, sharks, all these water animals are going to be died. Because of the most important thing is that we should not send the garbage or we should not send the sewage water. And next, industrial wastage. What the next one? Industrial wastage. We should not send the industrial wastage into the water. Because of the industrial wastage, most of the chemicals are getting into the water. Because of that, water in the lakes, rivers, ponds, all everything is getting polluted. Because of that chemicals, whatever the water animals are going to die. Some in one other day, we may lose all the animals in the land as well as the waters. So we need to take care about the water pollution too. So what we have to do? We should not throw the trash. We should not send the industrial wastage into the rivers or lakes. If we the industry think that my water is going into the lake, suppose I think it is as my garbage is going into the lake. In the same way, how many people are there in our colony? Everyone's waste is going into the river. That leads to the pollution. If one or two, there is no pollution. Everyone is going to send, then it is a pollution. So everyone needs to take initiative, or everyone needs to take a important that we should not throw the trash in water, we should not send a sewage into the water, we should not send industrial wastage into water, right? And that leads to the water pollution. And whatever the next thing, why animals are going to die? Here industrial wastage contain chemicals. Chemicals will be going to react in water, and that leads to the unsoluble or the insoluble of the oxygen can be converted into carbon dioxide. So if the oxygen is not there, animals will die in the water. Dissolved oxygen is converted into carbon dioxide if we are sending all this garbage or industrial wastage into the water. So that animals which are living in the water will die. Sure that. If the oxygen is not available, can we live without breathing oxygen? The same way animals need oxygen. So that we should not send any all these and wastage into the water. Next, one more thing, if animals are going to feed plastic, either of the clovers or the plastic bottles, whatever the thing, if we are throwing the plastic bags in the river, suppose the tortoise has seen it, then it thinks that it is a jellyfish or it is something the moving, means it is having the wings. Yes, sir. For cover you can see the handles. Those handles will look like a filament or the or used for floating. That leads to that it is a movement animal. So tortoise or the sharks or the whales are going to eat the plastic bags. That leads to the death of animals. So we are causing the death. So we should take care about the animals also. If we are going to control water pollution. Next one, what is the next one here? Air pollution. Air pollution. How air is get polluted? But we are not going to send anything into the air, right? But we are going to send the smoke, dirty air into the smoke, dirty air. Yes, sir. What is the smoke? What is meant by smoke here? Smoke will going to come out from our vehicles. Smoke will come out from the factories. Yes, sir. From the factories also. Factories. Yes. Here the smoke means not important part are the waste of the vehicles or waste of the factories are going to be into the air directly into the atmosphere. Means the air is very black in color, very dark in color, or called as a smoky nature, or called as a smoke, or called as a smoke. Here the air is getting polluted with the smoke or with the chemicals from the factories. Yes, some of the you can see big towers from the big towers where any factory is there. Suppose industrial factories like making tables or making chairs or making glasses, all these things. From each and every factory, they are going to release their waste materials into the water as well as into the air. And one more thing, firewood. Suppose if we are using the wood to cook the food, from that also we are getting smoke as well as from our vehicles. Yes, sir. Once you can look into your vehicle, means while you are traveling, whether the smoke is coming out from your vehicle or not. If the smoke is not coming, then you are the good person and you are going to control the pollution. Yes, means we have to save ourselves. If all the dirty air, the smoke will go into the air, then what will happen? Yes, CO2 or carbon dioxide, which you have already learned. Carbon dioxide percentage is going to increase. That's lead to breathing problems. Normally, what we have to take intake for breathing? Yes, oxygen is going to intake. But if the percentage of the smoke or if the percentage of the dirty air increase in the air, that leads to be polluted. That is called the carbon dioxide. You can see greenhouse gases like carbon dioxide, nitrogen, oxygen, all these things. These gases having high power. So these gases will lead to the cancers, lung diseases. What we are going to get? Yes, lung diseases. We are going to get lung diseases. Mostly the breathing problem who are on the land, for us or the animals, anything. If we are going to take the carbon dioxide, then we are going to get lung cancers. All the types of cancers, surely we are going to get. So we need to take care. And one more thing, you told that plastic, because of the plastic only air pollution is also getting. So if we are going to take the plastic wastage in one place and if we burn it, then different types of chemicals or different types of gas are methane. Mostly from the plastic we get a gas that is the methane. Methane is the most dangerous gas. How? When compared to the carbon dioxide. Here the methane is most dangerous. Why I am telling most dangerous? It reduces the oxygen level immediately in the atmosphere, so that if we burn any plastic container like plastic bags or plastic bottles or plastic trash, anything, then into the air this gas is going to release, methane gas is going to release. That leads to the decrease of oxygen. It will surely causes lung diseases, either of the cancer or some other disease. Sure. So we need to take care of all these things. Why? From where we are going to get all these pollution? Because of the plastic and some other things also. Okay. So what are the measures we have to do? Yes, we have to control the plastic. How? Yes, control plastic. Control plastic. How we have to control the plastic? Yes, we have to use steel or steel bottles, steel water bottles. And next one, not only the steel, you can use the clay water bottle. Except the plastic, whatever the type of the metals are there, you can use all types of metals for your control of the plastic. So for your usage, either you can use a steel bottle, either you can use a steel bottle, either you can use a what we can glass water bottles also. No problem. Okay. Next one, here I am telling you we can use the plastic also, but it should be reusable plastic. Reusable plastic should be used. If we can't control the plastic thing, so what we have to do? We have to reusable. We have to use the reusable plastic. Means it can be used for more than 5 times. Suppose if the plastic box or the plastic container is there, we can use for 1 or 2 months. But it is also going to take some. But it is also going to cause something different. By daily we are eating in the plastic things, a small little bit of amount is going into our digestive tract also. Almost 14% of plastic. How much percentage? 14% of plastic as found in human stomach. Yes, if we are going for the plastic test in our stomach, how much percent we are going to get? 14%. If we are using daily the plastic water bottle, daily plastic container food, everything, then we are going to get 14% of the plastic into our stomach. Now I am going to show you some of the pictures related to the pollution. Then you will get the clarity about the topic pollution. Okay. Okay. This is the first picture. You can see this is the land. Everywhere plastic. And here the animals are going to eat the food. If animals are going to eat the food from the plastic, then they will eat surely the plastic. That will lead to the death of the plastic. And everywhere if you see here, many things, pink color, blue color, orange color, everywhere the plastic items are plastic covers. The soil is not going to digest it. So that the pollution, daily if we are throwing one cover, it will become a huge number. So that the land is getting polluted because of the plastic things, and it will lead to the soil pollution or the land pollution. Here the next one, yes, water pollution. See how water is getting very decreasing number. Why it is getting? See here little bit of water is there, here little bit, here little bit. Why it is going to happen? Yes, because we are going to send wastage from the factories or sewage water into the river. That leads to the pollutant of the river, and you can see these all of the garbage, and the people are also going to collect something, the roadside people. This leads to the water pollution. Next, yes, you can see here how the smoke is coming out from the big factories, internal life structures. Yes, if this type of pollution is there, then we cannot breathe. So which gas are increasing there? Carbon dioxide as well as some of the factories may increase methane gas also. That leads to the lung cancers. So this is the water area. See, that is the near the beach. You can see how many water bottles are there, how many cans, and everything is in the plastic. Can the river can digest? Can the land can digest? No. Because of that, the pollution is going to increase. So what we have to do? We should use the reusable plastic as well as try to use plastic less in number. Okay, to decrease, to disappear the one plastic bottle, it will take millions, 100 million years. Means almost our life will be finished, but the life of the plastic will not be finished. So try to use less amount of the plastic. So what is our quotation for today? Stop plastic usage. What I am telling you? Stop. You should stop the plastic usage. From today onwards, nobody is going to use the plastic. What you are going to use? Yes, say no to the plastic. Use cloth bags. Whenever you are going for the market, whenever you are going for anything to buy in the market or anything you are going to bring, those things has to be get with the help of a cotton or the cloth bags. Cloth bags will be going to be digested easy for the soil. There is no pollution. Now, suppose now we have seen all the cloth bags are used. Why we are going to use? Yes, it will not be going to pollute the soil. It will not going to pollute the water. It will not going to pollute air. So that we need, instead of using the plastic, we are going to use cloth bags for nowadays. Okay. This is about our pollution class. Try to find out the reasons also. You can also identify reasons why we are going to use the plastic this much. So you are the growing children. So you need to take care of your family as well as yourself also. So now onwards, what you are going to tell me? No plastic. You are going to use cloth bags as well as steel water bottles as well as steel tiffin boxes or the steel lunch boxes. Right? And you are going to carry everything in the cloth bags or the cloth items. That will lead to the improvement of the environment. And one more thing, to control the pollution, what we have to do? Yes, we have to plant trees. What we have to? We should plant the trees. So now onwards, for every birthday, you are going to plant a tree or the plant, and you need to take care by yourself. Okay? Thank you, children. This is all about our pollution topic, and try to complete the worksheet which I am going to give you today. Okay, children. Bye. We will meet in the next class.